Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Yamaha FZ-07 twin cylinder 700cc fuel injected liquid cooled naked sport bike. This thing is only got 1,448 miles, beautiful condition, beautiful red finish, and a lot of upgrades, including frame sliders, LED lights, an awesome sounding Yoshimura exhaust system, fender eliminator, custom Corbin saddle. It's got bar end weights, shaded windscreen, price to sell just $64.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.